Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to solve a common problem on Pancakeswap where liquidity cannot be removed. This transaction will fail. To solve this problem, we go to testswap.org. Mind you, the interface is similar to Pancakeswap. You choose the liquidity pair, the amount, and then you approve. Once this transaction is confirmed, you can now remove liquidity. And boom. If this video helped you, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let us know the kind of videos you want to see on this channel.